Nutmeg, the warm and fragrant spice, hails from the nutmeg tree, native to Indonesia. For centuries, this spice has been prized for its flavor and medicinal properties. Ancient civilizations, from the Romans to the Arabs, recognized its value. They used it in cooking, perfumes, and traditional medicine. Today, nutmeg adds warmth and complexity to our dishes. Science reveals its impressive health benefits. Nutmeg's aroma transports you to cozy kitchens. It's like a warm hug in spice form. Nutmeg's versatility shines in the kitchen. Think creamy bechamel sauce, comforting mashed potatoes, or a steaming mug of hot chocolate. Just a pinch elevates these dishes. It also works wonders in savory dishes. Imagine a hearty lentil soup or a flavorful curry. Beyond its culinary uses, nutmeg boasts a long history of medicinal applications. Traditional medicine systems, particularly in Asia, have utilized nutmeg for centuries. Today, modern science supports some of these traditional uses, particularly its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Studies suggest that nutmeg might help alleviate pain and inflammation. This is due to compounds like eugenol, also found in cloves, known for their pain-relieving properties. Nutmeg also contains powerful antioxidants. These antioxidants help protect our bodies from damage caused by free radicals, which are linked to various diseases. Section 4. Finding peace with nutmeg. Sleep and mood. Feeling stressed or having trouble sleeping? Nutmeg might offer a natural solution. Traditional medicine uses nutmeg for its calming properties. It might influence neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. These play a crucial role in mood and sleep regulation. Imagine a warm cup of nutmeg-infused milk before bed. Section 5. Nutmeg for skin and teeth. A natural approach. The benefits of nutmeg extend beyond internal health, reaching into the realm of skincare and oral hygiene. Its antibacterial properties make it a valuable ingredient in natural remedies for skin issues and oral care. Nutmeg oil, extracted from the nut, possesses potent antibacterial properties. These properties can be helpful in combating acne-causing bacteria. Additionally, nutmeg's anti-inflammatory effects can soothe irritated skin. In oral care, nutmeg's antibacterial action helps fight bad breath and promotes gum health. Section 6. A word of caution. Moderation is key. While nutmeg offers numerous benefits, moderation is key. Consuming large amounts of nutmeg can lead to adverse effects. This is due to the presence of a compound called myristicin, which can have psychoactive effects in high doses. Symptoms of nutmeg toxicity include nausea, dizziness, hallucinations, and even seizures. It's crucial to stick to culinary doses when using nutmeg in cooking. For medicinal purposes, consult with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate dosage and ensure it's safe for you. Section 7. Embrace the nutmeg. A spice for life. Nutmeg, with its warm aroma, versatile flavor, and impressive health benefits, deserves a special place in your kitchen and wellness routine. Whether you're adding a pinch to your favorite recipe or exploring its potential health benefits, nutmeg offers a world of possibilities. Remember to enjoy nutmeg in moderation and consult your doctor before using it for medicinal purposes. Embrace the warmth and versatility of nutmeg and unlock its potential to enhance your culinary creations and overall well-being. If you have found this video informative, please like and subscribe, or leave a comment. Thank you.